Hey guys, Happy Dude here. I'm going to show you how to replace the light of the number plate in a Renault Megane RS Model 3. So, put a flat screwdriver or plastic tool between the housing of the light and the bumper, and it should come out. Then press this clip here and slide it out. Now the light is in like this. Now don't put the screwdriver here because you can break the plastic, but put it next to it and then just make this movement. So you press this in, and then the light housing should come out. Now to loosen the plastic, you put your screwdriver between here you see, and then you have an opening here, and then do it also the other side. Like so. And then now we have an opening. Now don't pull, but slide it in that direction, because you can break these. Now to take out the light or LED in this case, put a flat screwdriver here on the bottom, and then you can slide out the light. And then to install it back, just take the 2 pins, slide it in, and then click. And that's it. And then you could put the light back. This pin first, and then just push. And that's it. Thanks for watching.